to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Angel. Happy birthday to you. Not just a year older, but a year better. Cheers for Angel's life. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Angel. Medical field.
Brian May is also an expert.
Well, being a super mom should be, of course, like a, ano yan yung mga...
Ay, walang Tagalog.
Okay. Super mom is like a...
I think the issue is your insecurity, yourself, not them.
My face.